calling Block South Board. Speaking, may I help you?
Yes, hello?
Hello?
You were supposed to clean my clothes?
Molly Block House, may I help you?
Yes. Oh, yes, you did, man.
Pardon?
You were supposed to clean my clothes?
I think we have a bad connection. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, what is your question?
You were supposed to clean my clothes?
What's the name?
Never opened it from the fucking package. Oh, the clothes are dirty. Yes, they are, ma'am.
Pardon?
Well, you didn't wash this laundry.
Hey? What is the name?
What's going on? What number?
What is the name?
What number?
Not a number. What is the last name of the customer?
Listen. Okay, well, like I said, you'll know me by what the fuck I'm wearing. Maybe you just forgot to do it and just gave it back to me and took my fucking money. I picked up my fucking clothes there 2 weeks ago. And I took that laundry with me, and I brought it down to Florida to be on vacation. I went down to Florida, picked up some fucking broads during that spring break, and picked the fucking laundry up. I took it to Florida with me, and it was fucking dirty.
Honey, you're calling at the wrong person. I did not wash any clothes. I don't do that.
I wore it, too.
You need to call
Oh,
during
yes, you
daytime
did,
hours
man.
and speak to the manager. The manager is the one who does the laundry.
Yeah.
I apologize if something was wrong, but you need to speak with the manager. Because the girls that work in the evening do not do laundry. Only laundry done daytime.
You were supposed to clean my clothes?
Honey, I don't do laundry. The manager does laundry during the daytime hours. You need to call before 4 o'clock and speak with the manager.
Can you tell I'm just a little bit upset?
Pardon?
Can you tell I'm just a little bit upset? If that happened to you, would you be a little upset?
Yes, I would be a little upset, but we have a very bad connection. I can barely hear you. The
That's
phone's
right.
cracking.
Oh, yeah.
Please call during the daytime hours before 4 p.m. Can you call in tomorrow and speak with the manager?
What's going on?
Hello?
Ooh, what?
You need to call tomorrow before 4 p.m. and speak with the manager.
Is this a laundromat?
Yes, it is.
That shit wasn't even done.
Honey, I can't help you. You need to talk with the manager. The manager does the laundry. I do not do the
Yes,
I
you
do
did.
not wash clothes. I just manage the
Yes,
laundromat
you did.
in the evening.
Yes, you did.
No, I do not. You need to speak with the woman that washes your clothes during the daytime hours.
My underwear, every fucking thing. Shit stains.
Yeah, Joe. That was pretty good. Let's watch it.